Here's how you can request a refund for a Roblox item on mobile. First, open the Roblox app and tap the 3 lines icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Help. This will open the official Roblox Support website. From there, select Help again and the Help Center will open up. Inside, scroll to the bottom and select the refund topic. Here, scroll down again and then tap on this Contact Support link to open the support form. Sign in to your Roblox account if you're asked to do so. Enter the email address associated with your account. Then provide your Roblox username and select the device you used when making the purchase. For the help category, choose the option that best matches your issue, such as purchases using Robux, and then select in-experience item purchase. The available categories can change, so select the closest option shown on your form. In the description box, explain exactly what happened. Include the item's name, when you purchased it, and why you believe you're eligible for a refund. Keep in mind that Roblox generally does not refund normal Robux purchases simply because you no longer want the item. However, if there's a problem with the item or an unauthorized purchase, Roblox Support can review your request. Submit the form and wait for a response from Roblox Support. That's all for this video. Thanks.